What is a near-death experience? Thanks to modern technology, the number of people who have been revived from clinical death and restored to physical life has increased tremendously in recent years. Many of these people have shared strikingly similar accounts of their experience. Whereas in the past people may have been reluctant to talk about their experiences, perhaps for fear of ridicule, today thousands of people are recounting near-death experiences, NDEs. Documented observation on the subject of later life reported by people who have had near-death experiences has taken this area of research beyond theory. Near-death experiences became popular when Dr. Raymond Moody's book, Life After Life, became a bestseller. Dr. Moody writes convincingly of his extensive research on people who were clinically dead for a short time and were revived. The elements that appear most frequently in these accounts are as follows. 1. The identity of the individual who has died remains intact. The conscious self leaves the body and observes it in its lifeless state, but feels no interruption in the continuity of consciousness. 2. The sensations associated with leaving the body are described as very positive: lightness, brightness, love, joy, peace, and cessation of pain. 3. Consciousness, or spirit, enters a dark tunnel with an extremely bright light at the end. 4. One often sees relatives and friends, already deceased. They usually communicate a welcome, and the newly deceased person may be given the choice to return to physical life on earth. 5. Often the spirit is received by beings of great light and love who are thought to be God, the Creator, or a religious figure such as Jesus. 6. There may be a life review, which is a quick overview of one's earthly life in chronological order. 7. Consciousness, or spirit, can listen and observe everything that happens in the physical world, but it cannot communicate with people on earth by talking or touching. 8. There is an instinctive awareness that, going into the light, there is a point of no return to physical earthly life. Since these testimonies come only from people who have returned to physical life, there was a point beyond which they did not venture. When they return to physical life, most people who have had an NDE feel an improved quality of life. There is a lack of fear of dying, and there is a new altruistic and loving purpose in living.